Are you struggling to get referrals? You're not alone. I started with 0 connections and felt lost. But now, I've built a network with over 100 referrals. I'll share my journey so you can succeed too. First, set a small, achievable goal. Aim for just 10 referrals. This makes growth feel exciting and possible. Next, reach out to family and friends. Use voice notes and screen recordings to guide them. This personal touch encourages sharing. Join Telegram groups focused on passive income. Engage genuinely and establish trust. Answer questions without being spammy, and watch referrals come in. Transform your social media presence. Use Facebook as a blog, post proof on Instagram, and share real videos on TikTok. Authentic content attracts referrals. Track your progress with a Google Sheet. Identify which platforms work best and focus on them. Stay patient and consistent. Follow up regularly. Your efforts will pay off, and referrals will come naturally. Now, it's your turn. Set a small goal, share valuable content, and adapt. Focus on helping others, and your network will grow. Ready to dive in? Start building your network today.